Here's how to use MoneyGram. Now what this machine does is it makes it really easy to send money both domestically and internationally, just super securely. Now when you tap on the screen like I'm doing so here, you'll be brought to the screen like so, where you can receive money, send to inmate, estimate fees just to see how much the fees are, because it depends on which country you're actually sending it to, or depending on how much money you're sending. And you can even do rewards if you use this frequently. You can get less fees just by using the reward system. Now personally, what you should do is if you're looking to send money, you simply want to click on the send money option right here. Now when you click on this, it may display a message like so, and as you can see, it'll basically take you to this next screen like here, where you need to enter in your phone number. Even if you don't have an account, you can enter it in right here just so it verifies that you are actually sending money and this is a valid transaction. And once on the screen, you can basically choose where you're sending money. Now in this case, if you want to send it to any country, you can actually just search it on this keypad like so, but in this case, I just want to send it to Mexico right here. So I'm going to click on Mexico. In doing so, you're basically going to want to enter in how much you want to send in US dollars or whatever currency you're currently in. In this case, if I want to send $1.50, it'll translate that straight into the Mexican dollar, what it is right now. And you basically click on continue right here, and you can actually choose where you want to send this. Now you can send this to another MoneyGram machine. You can see there's a bunch of options right here, and it'll display the fees, which are roughly 10 US dollars, just like so, across all pages. And you can basically choose if you want them to pick it up, direct deposit into their account, such as their bank account, send to their wallet, and so on. You can basically go through all of these options, and depending on which one you want to pick, you just want to click on the select option right here, and it will display a receipt like so, where you simply click on continue once again. You just need to agree to the terms of service and conditions. And you can actually see you want to enter in your debit or credit card and put in your receiver information just so that you can actually allow this transaction to take place. Now in this case, you want to swipe your card just in this slot right here from this side to that side. Make sure the chip is facing down. In doing so, it will provide your card information, and make sure you enter in whatever name is on your card, your first and last name. Click on continue once again, enter in your zip code just for security, enter in your date of birth, click on continue, and then you basically need to put your receiver's name in this option right here, whatever it be. And then enter in your debit card or account number that's associated with your bank account. Now, not the one from here, but you just want to enter it in on the screen like so. You click on continue once again, and it's basically going to continue asking you to verify yourself using a driver's license, passport, or something like that. And finally, it's going to give you a warning notice and display all of your information right here, as well as your account name, card name, and what payment you're actually making and to where to. And when you're done, you click on continue, and you enter in your PIN, and this payment will automatically be sent. And when it comes to receiving money using a MoneyGram, is you simply once again want to tap on the screen, and as you can see, we want to click on the receive money option right here. And doing so, it'll bring you to the screen like so, where you're going to enter in your phone number, not the receiver's. And you enter in your company's name or the receive code on the screen right here. It's likely going to be a bunch of letters and numbers just for ultra security. And doing so will allow you to actually continue proceeding, putting in your information into this machine and complete the transaction, getting the money from wherever someone sent it to. And using this machine will take less than 30 minutes to complete a transaction. If I send money from me to someone else, it will be there in less than 30 minutes, and they'll be able to pick it up wherever that location you sent them to pick it up is. Just remember to send them the pickup number and make sure they're putting in all the right information. Otherwise, they won't be able to pick it up. And that's all you need to do to use one of these MoneyGram machines. It's really easy to do. It makes it really easy for secure international or domestic transfers.